Hello, hello! Today we are going to make a shell. So let's open our book and see what do we have. This looks interesting. We have 4 steps right here, and why don't we start making this and complete our entire shell? At first, we are going to make a very big circle. Make sure that you keep enough space on the left and the right side of the circle so that you can make the complete shell properly. Let's make a proper C and then another C. Yes, but the other way round. After that, let's make a big curve. And a curve at the bottom. Don't you think this looks like a beautiful big eye? Now, let's make a C connecting to our circle on the left side of it. And then, let's make a smaller one. And then, the smallest. Once we are done with that, let's make a beautiful curve right here and then extend this line inwards. Make a leaf-like structure and then erase the bottom part. Once you're done erasing all the parts which are not necessary, you can remake your shell and complete it. This looks beautiful, isn't it? Give it a proper shape now. If you feel that you've made a mistake, please feel free to erase your drawing and make it once again. These curves need to look flawless and hence we will work on it properly. Try making a perfect shell for yourself. That's amazing. Next step is we need to start sketching this, and that too with a black sketch pen. Go very slow on top of the drawn parts. Do not overlap the sketch pen marks one on top of another. And always start from where you stop. And look, a beautiful shell is ready. The next step is take your eraser and erase all the pencil marks. This is beautiful. Now comes the fun part. Let's color this together. Here we will require 2 shades of yellow. At first we will require a darker yellow. Not to worry if the shade is not exactly like how it's mentioned in the book. You can take the shade closest to the one mentioned here and start coloring. Do the outline of this leaf here and then color the bottom part. This looks lovely. Let's take a lighter shade of yellow and color in the middle. This gives us such a beautiful shading effect, isn't it? Let's color this together. Make sure you do not leave any white spaces. Try and blend the 2 colors well. This looks brilliant. The next thing we do is get a darker brown and a lighter brown. To start with, we will color with the darker brown on top. Yes, just near the outline. And after that, take the lighter brown and color inside. Well, this looks more like a dark ochre, isn't it? You can take that color as well. This looks amazing.